Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
I went down to Dartmouth in between the morning and this afternoon to say hello to some school students there, and noticed a lot of melting going on, at least on those major roadways. They're pretty damp. One thing we'll have to watch for tonight is that will refreeze as the sun goes down. Temperatures are still below freezing across the area. Radar right now fairly quiet. We've had a couple of flurries here and there, mostly over eastern Massachusetts, and another batch in Connecticut. Well, around here, we'll keep our threat tracker low for this afternoon. Tonight, though, going to bring it up to the medium levels. We track black ice, mostly cloudy skies, and the potential for some light snow by tomorrow morning. Wednesday, I have us up into the medium level. We do have the risk of snow showers. Some of them may be briefly heavy, and we could get enough here to get some accumulating snow, certainly enough to make the road slick. You don't need a whole lot of that for that to happen. Looking at our seasonal snowfall amounts through yesterday, this year we picked up about 1.5 feet of snow. That's pretty close to average. Last year, of course, in the middle of that snow blitz, and we had about 37.5 inches of snow at TF Green by this point. So we have had two systems, Friday and again yesterday, that have brought a decent amount of snowfall. Still dealing with the cloud cover and the leftovers of yesterday's snow in the form of cold air, brisk winds. Feels like 17 with the north-northeast wind at about 12 miles an hour. Here's a view down in Narragansett. Smithfield's at 25 with the wind chill at 18, 27 Warwick. Feels like 17. Winds from the northeast at about 15 miles per hour. Tiverton, upper 20s westerly, one of the warmer spots. You've actually cracked 30 degrees there. Let's look at the satellite and radar, because we've got one storm system. It's a miss, moving out to sea today, but I've got my eye on this area that's down around the mid-Atlantic states, and I mentioned this before here. It's this area of snow that looks like it'll develop into our next storm system. It's not an intense one, but it's enough that as it comes through New England tomorrow morning could bring a couple of inches of snow to parts of our area. Let's take a look at the Futurecast here, and for the rest of the day today, we'll keep it mostly cloudy with temperatures that'll come in around 30 degrees. Can't rule out a flurry or two with the sunset at 5:11 this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Now again, we'll be on the lookout for maybe some light snow to try and develop by dawn tomorrow morning, with temperatures running at about 22. Here we are Wednesday morning. This is at 9 a.m. Notice this little bit of blue coming in. Those are those snow showers I mentioned. We'll have to watch for some briefly heavier ones. Low pressure will basically lift up across New England, and we'll have another chance for some snow showers really through the day on Wednesday. So we'll have to keep up to date on not just the snow shower threat, but the potential for some heavier snow squalls that could quickly coat the ground. So most of us ending up with a coating on the higher end, looking at possibly 2 inches of snow. Now, I was looking at some new data that's just been coming in through the morning, and there's a few models out there that are showing maybe isolated 3-inch amounts too. So it is something that we'll be watching. Want to check in with Tony tonight for an updated Futurecast on the Wednesday forecast. Behind that, we'll have a chance of snow showers on Thursday. Friday looks dry. Saturday, very chilly. We've got an offshore front that we'll have to watch, or an offshore storm system rather. Our wind chills Saturday, especially Saturday night, could dip below 0 at times. So it's busy and a winter-like weather pattern here, very typical.